Let's learn how you can fix hotspot not turning on issue on iPhone. So first step is very basic, and it is you have to try and to restart your iPhone. If you have restarted your iPhone and it still doesn't work, what you can do is to go and open settings, go to mobile services. So from settings you want to click on mobile service, and first step is to go to network selection. Now here will appear every possible and available networks, and you want to select one with your provider. So select your network, then go back, then click on mobile data network. Now for this first mobile data part is important, and this last personal hotspot. So what you have to do here is to enter the information about your mobile data network provider. So if you don't remember who is your provider and username and password of it, you want to Google it. If you can't find it on Google, you just want to click on reset setting, then reset the settings, and it will fill automatically. So you want to go back now, and for example, what we can do is to go to mobile data, select our internet connection speed, then go back and click on personal hotspot. Here you want to enable this, allow others to join your personal hotspot, and if you have only one or two people connected, you can enable this option, maximize compatibility. I am sure this will fix your hotspot problem. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.